Hello, my name is Belda. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Today I read for you Heidi. Heidi was very happy with her grandfather and they were living in a small cottage. She loved natural life, books, and her best friend Peter. Uh, But she was bored of doing the same things every day. Just then, she heard Peter's voice, and it made Heidi very happy. Peter happily came to Heidi. "Did you hear? A circus come to town," he said. These words made Heidi excited too. Is this true?" she said. "Then we should go and tell grandfather. She can take us there." Together they told the circus to him. "All right," grandfather said. "Get ready then." Hyde and Peter prepared quickly. They were going to see a circus for the first time in their life. When they come to the circus door, they were very happy. A clown welcomed them. "I can show you around before entering if you want," the clown said. Kids happily accepted this offer. The clown's name was Joe. First, kids met with a ballerina. The ballerina's name was Jenny. She was the same age with Heidi and Peter. After a short conversation, Joe continued to show them around. Heidi saw an elephant. It was as big as a house. Huge elephant greeted Heidi and Peter. Then Joe took them to an acrobat. He was walking on a rope. It is fun to work in a circus, but it's also very dangerous and hard, Peter said. Finally, Heidi and Peter saw cages of wild animals. "Do not go near," Joe warned them. In every cage there were different wild animals. It was fun to walk around, but the show was about to start. Joe quickly took them to a circus tent. It was nice to see performance of wild animals. Heidi and Peter applauded. The show was over. Heidi and Peter were very happy. They talked about shows along the way. Next day, Heidi woke up early. She ran to the circus because she saw it in her dream at night. But when she came to the town, circus was not there anymore. She was very sad. When she turned back to home, their eyes were full of their eyes were tearful. "The circus is gone, grandfather," she said with a sad voice. "Of course it's gone," old man said. "Other people want to see the circus too. I did not think in this way before." "You are right, grandfather," she said. Now she was happy again. Today, the today Heidi is finished. Next time, see you later. Bye.